Dragi prijatelji, prav lep pozdrav v imenu Zveze slovenskih kulturnih društev. Prav lep pozdrav naj gre vsem nastopajočim in še posebno prijateljem iz Umaga in skupine Analiza Dance. Seveda brez staršev in mentorjev tudi te plesne revije ne bi bilo, zato prav lep pozdrav naj gre tudi njim. Letošnja revija je seveda nekoliko drugačna. Iz dvoran se selimo na splet in upamo tudi iz spleta v svet. Vendar želim poudariti predvsem to, da je revija povezovalna in nas povezuje tudi v teh težkih korona časih, kajti v teh časih ustvarjalnost ne mine, ustvarjalnost ostane in nam daje novega upanja in zagona tudi za naprej. Naj ob tem še spomnim, da naša plesna revija je že od nekdaj v znamenju tudi dveh zelo pomembnih datumov, ki potekata v novembru. 20. novembra obeležujemo dan otrokovih pravic, torej za otrokove pravice, in pa 25. november v boju proti nasilju nad ženskami. Tako naj bo tudi letos, čeprav smo si daleč, pa vendar mislim, da v mislih smo se vedno zelo blizu. Tako da res hvala vsem in lepo revijo želim, da bi bili in seveda, da bi naslednje leto bili spet skupaj v živo. Cari amici, un caloroso saluto dall'Unione dei Circoli Culturali Sloveni, che anche quest'anno ha voluto comunque fare questo saggio di danza con tutti i suoi circoli e con gli amici di Umago e gli amici di Analiza Danze. Grazie a tutti di essere con noi, un grazie va anche agli insegnanti e ai genitori che sostengono questa nostra attività. La nostra rassegna di danza si nasce in novembre e si sviluppa nel mese di novembre, quando ci sono nel calendario due importanti date. Una è il 20 novembre, la giornata per il diritto dell'infanzia, ovvero la giornata per i diritti dell'infanzia, e l'altra il 25 novembre, la giornata contro la violenza sulle donne. Due date importanti che vogliamo comunque ricordare anche quest'anno, in questa forma forse virtuale, ma che comunque ci unisce e ci unirà anche nel futuro. Grazie a tutti di essere con noi e l'anno prossimo spero ci rivediamo dal vivo. Hvala vsem, srečno in lepo se imejte, vsekakor. Nasvidenje.
I slam the door when I come into the bedroom, cause I'm the king of the castle. Turn me on, turn me loose. Try to hit it, it's a hassle, come get some of this. Don't forget the innuendo, play me like Nintendo. Never ever let go, keep it so loud, you be hitting the crescendo. 2, 3, 4, so Latino. Come baby, come baby, baby, come, come. Come baby, come baby, baby, come, come. Well, you gotta give me loving and you gotta give me some. You gotta give me loving and you gotta give me some. Come baby, baby, come, come. Come baby, baby, come, come. Well, you gotta give me loving and you gotta give me some. You gotta give me loving and you gotta give me some. The telephone goes ring. Hello, hello. But we're still getting busy. Now you're getting dizzy. I can slow it down so you can pump it. Then I move it fast so you can pump it. 2 balls and a bat, but bitch I wears a hat. Sliding into home base, trying to hit a home run. Swing, bada, 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 swing. Come baby, baby, come, come. Come baby, baby, come, come. Well, you gotta give me loving and you gotta give me some. You gotta give me loving and you gotta give me some. Come baby, baby, come, come. Come baby, baby, come, come. Well, you gotta give me loving and you gotta give me some. You gotta give me loving and you gotta give me some. Bring it out, come on. Move it all around, bounce. Pump it up and down, pump it up and down, bounce. Move it all around, move it all around, bounce. Pump it up and down, bounce, bounce. Tell me, do you like it? Yeah. Do you want a little more? Yeah. Now tell me, do you love it? Yeah. Come on. Do you love me? I can feel it. Come on. Let it go. Come on. Give it to me. Come on. Give it to me. Baby, come, come. Come, baby, baby, come, come. You gotta give me loving and you gotta give me some. Come, baby, come, come. Step, everybody, step, everybody. You gotta give me loving and you gotta give me some. Come, baby, come, come. All together now, come on. You gotta give me loving and you gotta give me some. Trying to hit a home run, swing, bada, 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 swing. Come baby, come, come. Come baby, baby, come, come. Well, you gotta give me loving and you gotta give me some. You gotta give me loving and you gotta give me some. Come baby, come, come. Come baby, baby, come, come. Well, you gotta give me loving and you gotta give me some. You gotta give me loving and you gotta give me some. Bring it out, come on. Move it all around, bounce. Pump it up and down, pump it up and down, bounce. Move it all around, move it all around, bounce. Pump it up and down, bounce, bounce. Tell me, do you like it? Yeah. Do you want a little more? Yeah.
Yeah, breakfast at Tiffany's and bottles of bubbles. Girl with tattoos who like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Buy myself all of my favorite things. Been through some bad shit, I should be a savage. Who would've thought it turned me to a savage? Rather be tied up with calls and not strings. Write my own play. Wearing no ring, but ain't gon' be no misses. I'm matching diamonds for 6 of my bitches. I'd rather spoil all my friends with my riches. Think we tap therapy, my new addiction. Whoever said money is all you got must not have had enough money to solve. They say which one I say now. I want all of happiness is the same price I pay. I got it, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it. You like my hair? She thinks just right. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it.
Now you had prepared 20 years ago. Why don't you do right like some other man?
I feel good. I knew that I would. I feel. Tu cuerpo y mi cuerpo, así entrelazados en un boca a boca. No queda un espacio mientras me cuelgo a tu cintura y voy jugando justo a la locura.
una tremenda fiesta. Olvídate de mi negra, no puedo más. Contigo no puedo más. Vete lejos. Mira, contigo no quiero más. No puedo más. Contigo no puedo más. Oye, me dijiste que me amaba y el diablo te va a llevar.
Hey, soul sister, ain't that Mr. on the radio? Stereo, the way you move ain't fair, you know. Hey, soul sister, I don't wanna miss a single thing you do tonight. Hey, soul sister, I don't wanna miss a single.
Love on my lips, a man on my hips, hold me tighter than my dairy on jeans. Acting up, drinking my cup, I can care less what you think. I need no permission, did I mention? Don't pay him any attention. Cause you had your turn, and now you're gonna learn what it really feels like to miss me. Cause if you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. Don't be mad what you see that he want it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. Oh, 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 oh,
Slither, sinner like a snake in the grass. Wolf in sheets clothing with words made of glass. Crept up upon me like a shadow on the wall. Couldn't prepare me for how heavy I would fall.
Tu me fais tourner la tête. Mon manège à moi c'est toi. Je suis toujours à la fête. Quand tu me tiens dans tes bras, je ferai le tour du monde. Ça ne tournerait pas plus que ça. Que la terre n'est pas assez ronde pour m'étourdir autant que toi. Lorsqu'on est bien tous les deux, quand on est ensemble deux, quelle vie on a tous les deux. Quand on s'aime comme deux, on pourrait changer planète. J'ai mon cœur près du tien, j'entends les flambeaux de la fête, et la terre n'y est pour rien. Oh oui, parlons-en de la terre, pour qui elle se prend la terre. Ma parole, il y a qu'elle sur terre, il y a qu'elle pour faire tant de mystère, mais pour nous il n'y a pas de problème, car c'est pour la vie qu'on s'aime. Et s'il n'y avait pas de vie même, nous on s'aimerait quand même, car tu me fais tourner la tête.